it is not able to solve the problem of Galamsey, it's a useless government. We don't need that government.
Sammy Gyamfi, or say, Yana Nanumu God no more the tongue, Yahu, or Mudi Janchirimano. A free nether cost one no Sammy Gyamfi and license or more. Independent me for good in 2 a year Akunyahu and Janchirima. Sammy Gyamfi and Kasi Michel. You need military leadership. You knew cool. Nigeria Rollins, like I said, money or the milk and tea, who could trust himself or more. I have some flu among men and some Mayan Yaman. I never know. Sammy Gyamfi men can't tell us, why would you go to better way Janchirimano? Would the Janchirima, who bet me a could jail for 10 years? Sammy Gyamfi men can't tell us. And yet, one has answered 2 years or so. And you see, I told you so, I won't trash on by your Debbie. Show me himself and John Kunyan will go down. I will say, I can't Kunyan will go down. And you'll be making sure you be yes, I'll go to the Abami at all. And that's what they want to do. And near Japan deal, difference behind them. Say Japan deal, number say the royalties in Akosha baby, no control. And no put the royalties. When the actual gold, they want to control it. Sammy Gyamfi Mara was what they gold board of Hudi. So why be gold dimension man? And your friend a hoarding of gold. And we be caught jail for no less than 5 years or 10 years. Sammy Gyamfi be jail. I've been them say baby hamo. All no board in India baby hamo. Are we in a nation of authoritarianism? This is a democracy, free market economy. Anybody at all should be able to decide where they want to sell their property. Is that not what we've accepted? From the 70s coming, after the structural adjustment programs, we've all accepted. So we are moving from state-controlled market to a open market. I will be a baby dope. I didn't know, and then I buy so say world market price of gold, but I am the gold price. I'm a pen. What kind of authoritarianism is this? Obi, Mobekaya, Michelle, Nkomobia say, Efa a year, Sammy Gyamfi nyoma warrior. Now Sammy Gyamfi say, one no dear gold board, and obetie. Now what 2 gold board no, or they be 2 gold. But you can't catch him say scam alert. Now Monshe di, Obi, I say who be war. Your boss Sammy Gyamfi bono. Wamfa a yinama. Wamfa a year mbrana, Beo no wamfa man. Now when an will be leaky bill in the man say, Shabibi will build him. Go figure the Sammy Gyamfi atro. Or say a person shall not purchase gold in the country from any person other than the gold board or a person licensed by the gold board to sell gold. I'm warning you. Then you hokra de. Sammy Gyamfi himself science him flew away or Modia Banintino. Ghana phone ton good. Emo. It had a Marano Modia Koshim. Ovi Shasambra and 69 one. Shadi Sammy Gyamfi was a hoarding of gold. Tienio, you can't hoard now. Why would do gold do see no? And the agent Chirimano. Sammy Gyamfi a friend of hoarding of gold. A person shall not, without lawful authority, hold gold without license issued by the gold board. Sammy Gyamfi, or say, Yana Nanumu gold no more the tongue, Yahu, or Mudi Janchirimano. A free nether cost one no Sammy Gyamfi and license or more. Independent me for gold in 2 a year Akunyahu and Janchirima. Sammy Gyamfi and Kasi Michel. You need military leadership. You need cool. Nigeria Rollins, like I said, money or the milk and tea, who could trust himself or more. I have some flu among men and some Mayan Yaman. I never know. Obi didn't hold in good. Or so Jabia Menchima. Or Sammy Gyamfi one for gold now, Mamma, who are authorized here. Want me for gold to one Yanchima. A person who contravenes subsection 1 commits an offense and is liable to a summary conviction, to a fine of not less than 200,000 penalty units and not more than 500,000 penalty units, or to a term of imprisonment not less than 5 years or no more than 10 years. Sammy Gyamfi men can say, why would you go to better way Janchirimano? Would the Janchirima who bet me a could jail for 10 years? Sammy Gyamfi men can tell. And yet you want to answer 2 years or so. Sammy Gyamfi, a Sukonoma was in Konya and I'm going to do down. She says, and you see, I told you so much trash on by your Debbie. So many says, and John Kunyan will go down. Only say, I can't Kunyan will go down. And you'll be making sure you be yes, I'll go to the Abami at all. And that's what they want to do. and near Japan deal. Difference beer the Japan deal number say the royalties in Aquasha baby, don't control. And nobody near royalties. When the actual gold, they want to control it. And on making sure somebody you go the film community now. And I am from Muticroma. I mean, the sense of fluid. When you know my dinner more. Our Abraham wine from number 2 gold on Konyaho. When you number 2 be. Sammy Gyamfi mara was so debebo gold board huni. So wa obeja gold amen chiliman. And your friend a hoarding of gold. And we go jail for no less than 5 years or 10 years. Sammy Gyamfi bibi jijo. I been them say bibi how. Ono board ni nyina bibi hamo. Authoritarian law. Are we in a nation of authoritarianism? This is a democracy, free market economy. Anybody at all should be able to decide where they want to sell their property. Is that not what we've accepted? From the 70s coming, after the structural adjustment programs, we've all accepted. So we are moving from state-controlled market to our open market. I will be a baby open. I didn't know then I buy so position say world market price of gold but I am the gold price I'm a pen. What kind of authoritarianism is this? And we are going to sit down and allow this nonsense to prevail. And people better I am from better world market price of gold nobody has the right. So to me catch uncle for some men I met to go there from what nonsense is that? Sammy Gyamfi, what is this? Tell us why. Say nanano mu jago de tu oja nchirima omo ho ni go de to omeko je. E nanano mo to hwe sa de wi. E to jemo a. E to jemo a. Sabe ka kire mo. Mantie. Ahemfo mi so be yi to mi ni nyina frem wase. Say gold wa mo te so na mamu ya ahemfo. Sammy Gyamfi de hoard ni be yi gold ni nyina frem wase. Now if you already now and say na much so per year the constitution e mu agudie nyina anya modia what is kwa etikakakra na munya no amode beto agya nchirima Sammy Gyamfi asa akotworo mbra e ka kire me kwa afrifa say wo a wo be yes a gold hoarding no e de agya nchirima be ko deal for 5 to 10 years and I am for to work as I do obi me de men kasa wo na mo de me bo bebre e ka kire mo pe this is Sammy Gyamfi was here him for the gold to woman chilima a friend of hoarding jail. I rest my case.
Aha, PRIZM Multimedia. When you go so sharp, now me say akwenya no ho de mouth. So we be subscribe it. Yeah, the video too man. Why the first person I want sabet me so your video mo. Now we so we your man ba pan wait me ho na e so e wo man mo. Like I didn't trebi so ho na pe say we ja photo comment section ni mo. Edi ba ko pe na fa frame make mejo so. Me see ha da mu nyina kwase mamomoni ti a ye je me enyado.